Hi everyone, we're going to solve trig equations. This is part 3, and the first one we have is 3 square root of 2 cosine of theta plus 2 equals negative 1. The first thing I'm going to do is subtract 2 from both sides. We're also solving it on the interval 0 to 2 pi. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So you get 3 square root of 2 cosine of theta equals negative 3. Divide both sides by 3 square root of 2. And that's going to give you cosine of theta equals negative 1 over square root of 2, which equals negative square root of 2 over 2. Now cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and 3, so that's going to be 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. And that's your two solutions. You can just write it as a solution set. Okay, the next one is sine squared of theta equals 6 times cosine of theta plus 1. I'm going to go ahead and write the left side as cosine 1 minus cosine squared of theta and distribute the right side with the 6 here. And we'll move everything over to the right side. So you get cosine squared of theta plus 6 cosine of theta plus 5. Because I subtract 1 here. And factor, get cosine of theta plus 5 and cosine of theta plus 1 equals 0. And this one you get cosine of theta equals negative 5. That's no solution here. And on this side you get cosine of theta equals negative 1. So theta equals pi. And that's your solution. And the last one we're going to do is tan of theta minus 2 sine of theta equals 0. So I'm going to write tan of theta. I'm just going to move this 2 sine of theta over here. I'm going to go ahead and write tan as sine of theta over cosine of theta. And then I'm going to, cross multiply. So I get sine of theta equals 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Now I'm going to divide both sides by sine. Okay, so divide both sides by sine. So you get 1 equals 2 cosine of theta, because that cancels. So cosine of theta equals 1/2. And cosine of theta is 1/2. So theta would be, this is quadrant 1 and 4. So cosine of theta is pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Cosine is positive in quadrant. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 4. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.